Hey, I'm Mike Nelson with Spyder Extras. Today we're going to be installing a new driver cup holder and accessory mount for the new 2024 Sea to Sky RT Limited. Before we do the installation, I want to explain why we created these new products. BRP in 2024 changed the cuffs that hold the control modules on the handlebars from cast aluminum to plastic. That presented a problem where our existing mounts would not bolt up any longer because they're held with sheet metal screws. So what we did is we created bracket systems that mount to the back screws on the control modules, which we'll show you, for the cup holder, which we have a cup holder for the left side and we have a cup holder for the right side, as well as a new accessory mount that can go on the left side or right side. It has 1-inch balls that you can mount on either top or front that you can use for a cup holder in one position, a mirror on another position, or put the 1-inch ball on the front. It gives you plenty of flexibility within these mounts. For other cup holder and accessories for other Spyders, please visit our SpyderExtras.com. Now, Keith and Justin will show you how to install both the cup holder and the accessory mount.
The first thing we're going to be installing is going to be the left cup holder on the RT. I'm going to show you the two bolts that we're going to take out. You're going to need a 3mm Allen wrench, and we'll get to it with the bolts. One bolt's right here. Then you got another lower bolt, which is down here. And then we'll just take those bolts out. As we're taking these out, we got to be careful with the cluster so it don't come apart. As Justin holds that, we've got two screws. We've got a longer screw and we got a shorter screw, a longer spacer and a shorter spacer. The long spacer and the long screw will go up on the top side of the cup holder. And it does have the washer that you'll put on the bolt first. After you get the top one on and the shorter screw and spacer, it goes on the bottom. We'll go to just tighten them back up. And as you tighten them, you just want to snug them up and not over tighten them, because you are tightening into plastic. Now that we got the cup holder installed, we're going to move to the accessory mount on the right side of the handlebar. As we mount the accessory mounts right here, if you'll notice, it does have a place for another ball. You could put two 1-inch balls on here for two different accessory points. We'll just slide them in. You have the spacer and the bolt. Both of them are the same size for the bottom and the top. And there again on this one, when you go to tighten, you don't want to tighten too much and over tighten it, but you want to tighten it enough to keep it in place. Now that we got the accessory mount mounted and we've got the cup holder mounted, you're ready to ride.
Thank you so much for watching today. We ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And don't forget to check out SpyderExtras.com for all your Spyder and Ryker accessories. Thank you so much for watching.